My girls. My girls.
My son.
I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
We're going to meet you.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, thank you.
The honorable.
My big man friend.
You like to do it too.
My big man friend.
Blessings always come in twos.
What to do?
My brother, you'll be enjoying.
What to do? Do you know I cheated those girls?
How do you mean? How?
I can't even laugh. I cheated them.
Eh?
They've been with me
Since when?
since last night.
Wow. And you yeah! Your friend.
I give them only 800,000.
Are you serious? These two pretty ladies.
I cheated them.
No, you don't do that to young girls of this generation. You don't do that now. They need more.
No, what these girls need are sweet words. Oh shit! I'm giving them sweet words. They don't even send the amount to give them. I give them just little money.
Not even up to $1 million.
I cheated
Which is our
them.
standard. Wow. You must give me this thing. You have to teach me this
I will
thing.
teach you some of this thing.
I will
teach you.
This calls for celebration. A new scope. To pay girls small money. Madiba. What you dey do here now?
MOP.
How far now? Well, no light oh. Yeah, how far? What you dey do outside?
Baba, I just can't receive fresh air, Baba. Heat won't kill me
Just
inside.
Your babe been come now. She don't go.
She still there now. The girl won't kill me. For the past 1 week now. Bro. Oh, I can't dey tired. The girl they put me under pressure. She they put me under pressure, bro. This girl can't tell me say her father is sick. Say she need 34,000 for her father for hospital. Wow. Her father sick. I be doctor. Which one say her father is sick?
All of us, you get anybody who wear for this country?
Aware.
34,000.
As I dey talk to you now, I don't support this girl with like 5,000. She still dey expect me I add something.
You give girl 5,000, Madiba. Wait, first of all, where is the 5,000 from? Oh shit! Bro, you get 5,000 for this house. Now we dey sleep with heat. Don't even buy 1 liter of fuel no day. Yesterday now I cook beans for beans. Who get money more buy bread? You lock up. You get 5,000. Bro, you dey spoil women now. You dey spoil women now, bro. 5,000 for one visit, one. No now, 2,000 everywhere. Ah God. Oh, Josh.
Josh now.
Josh, boy, come on, follow me.
No.
Make you follow me here. Waiting this boy they talk now.
What's up?
Person go just deal with person. Say na a friend. No say they stay with your enemy.
What you do now?
If babe come now. Babe come visit am now.
Oh, that girl. She still there.
Now you can no. You never even hear the one with the vex me. Why I call you now, Josh? He give am 5K.
Madiba, you give her 5K. Who you kill?
Whether I will not stay with ritualists, I don't know. You give her 5K.
You wear this coin, never pay finish. You do the overdo.
How much be our rent? Everybody knows. Say standard for girls now 2K. That's when you even do alright.
Now when you do alright, now the
If
normal
things
price
dey
now
shake between
1.5.
1.5.
You know the 5K go do.
She go
5K
consider.
we don't carry like 10 girls now. Madiba.
She no chop beans. She no chop. She no even if we no get like. She no use our hand fan.
I won't cook spark for her.
You cook spark.
Imagine.
My spark.
Spark plus 5K now how much?
Why you dey do like this now?
Oh, but you dey spoil girls. No be like they do this thing. That your friend and that your babe now and this my babe. Then they work for the same place. Your babe they learn tailoring. My babe they learn how to do cake. What if your babe now come go tell my babe now? Say you give her 5K. That means I dey owe my babe 3,000. Yeah, I won't see her.
And I mean they take that babe now. Me she find me babe.
Yo,
Can I not do now?
you
You
don't
don't
spoil
spend
now.
for me now. Madiba,
5,000.
your feelings just they make you they spend too much.
5,000, bro. You know how many girls I go use 5,000 carry for this our area.
10 girls.
Overdue. Never make them.
You dey spoil girls. You dey spoil girls.
Papa, I beg.
You dey spoil girls. You see them now.
Men supporting men in the mud. Papa, I beg.
And they too spend, Madiba, they too spend. You know they plan. See my future now.
And you forget say the old landlord.